Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have one more product from Shine X-Pro. Earlier, we had made videos on their Snow Foam Shampoo, all-in-one polish and sealant, and also on their microfiber cloth and wash mitt. This is Shine X-Pro's Ceramic Guard. It's a DIY ceramic coating for cars and motorcycles. Shine X-Pro Ceramic Guard comes with 2 free microfiber cloths to ensure you have everything required to get the job done. Let's try it out by following all the steps mentioned by them, and let's check out its results. Step 1 is to give your vehicle a thorough foam wash. You can use a wash mitt to give it a contact wash, which helps remove surface contaminants. Rinse it with water and dry it thoroughly using a microfiber drying towel. Step 2 is, you can clay down your vehicle using a clay lubricant to remove contaminants which are embedded into the paint surface. Make sure the clay lubricant does not have any wax in it. Rinse it with water and dry it thoroughly using a microfiber drying towel. Directions to apply Ceramic Guard is, Step 1 is to shake Ceramic Guard well and then spray a couple of times directly onto your first microfiber towel and then on the panel. Step 2 is spread Ceramic Guard onto the paintwork using the first towel, in and up and down, left and right, so that the entire surface is evenly covered. Step 3 is to use the second dry microfiber towel to buff off to a slick shine. The more you buff, better the shine. Step 4 is to coat one panel/section at a time before moving on to the next. The vehicle is ready to use immediately with no cure time required. This is the easiest ceramic coating product you'll ever use. The Ceramic Guard can be applied to your car or bike in 20 minutes. It lasts, on average, 4 to 6 months and requires no special experience. Once the coating is done, the surface becomes extremely water, dirt, and street grime repellent. The hydrophobic nature can be easily seen. And it also adds UV protection to the surface. It makes the applied surface look and feel smooth and shiny with a deep and glossy finish. We truly love this product, and will definitely recommend to give it a try.